Welcome to Kavai Viha channel. I am Kavai and
I am Viha. Today we are going to make lantern. So let's start.
So guys, for making lantern, you will need some color papers. So I am taking green color, blue, pink and yellow color. You can take colors of your choice.
We need glue, scissors, scale and pencil.
So let's start making lantern.
Yes.
Guys, we have to cut this blue paper into 8 into 8 centimeter square. Similarly, we have to cut yellow paper in 6 into 6 centimeter square. Yeah, do you agree? So we have this big square
And small.
we will stick this square on this square like this. Now we have to fold this like this and stick it here. We have made 8 cones like this.
Cut this paper into small square and stick like this.
We have to cut this paper in half like this and stick it round like this, and it will look like this. Cut a strip like this and stick it over here like this. It is ready. So we have to stick these cones here at 4 centimeter distance like this. Look at this, our upper part is ready. Guys, for the below part, leave 1 to 2 centimeter distance in here between this and draw 1 centimeter lines over here. So guys, I have made this, and now let's cut the strips. It is looking like this now. Now we will apply glue over here and stick this around it. Now we will stick this paper over here to look it more attractive. Guys, the lantern is ready. The only thing remaining is to connect the thread here and here. below if you like it or not. Happy Diwali!
Bye bye.
Bye!